So can you try this up? So insert a new module here. I mean, maybe. Right. So can you insert a new module and then type the new code that I gave you? Okay. So can you copy this, close all open tables? Just the name. Okay. Not really the brackets, just the tables. Okay. Now try to go to the access database. Okay. Open the tables, few tables, just to randomly check. Another table maybe. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Run the code. Right. Is that closed?
Mm-hmm.
Right. It is closed. So what we do now? Go to the first code that we have for ESI. No. Okay. So okay, I'll take the controller. 1 second. So why is this coming up this way to you? Okay. Okay. So here, this is the module 1 and this is the ESI update. Okay. In the ESI update, I just wanted to make sure that if something is open, I would want to close it up. Well, I need not paste all the code again, right? So I would just say, I would just simply copy this. Okay. Like I gave you the first example on my system, which again was having some checks. Okay. So what I would do is, the first thing is I would call and then this. Okay. So what happens? See what happens. So I'm calling this application and then running this code. Okay. So let's try to open up some random tables. Right. I have 3 tables now. Come on. Can you go to that VP event? Okay, it's coming up now. I think there's some delay. Monik, can you go to the VB and run the code? See what happens. The ESS code. ESI code. Yeah, this one. Not this. Why you were not getting it? Okay.
Is there a way to like stop having these pop-ups?
Yeah, you can stop the screen update is equal to false or true. Okay. So let me give it to you that. Okay. So slowly I'll introduce you to that. Okay. Okay. So it is going to be this specific. Okay. So I would want you to use this at the beginning. Okay. And this is going to be at the end. It's going to be at the end. Okay. Off at the beginning. Okay. Yeah. and at the end it's going to be true. After 4, if you don't turn this on, that's going to be a huge problem for you, because always remember, whenever you turn on the screen update, you have to, turn off, you need to turn on, else even the regular Excel access would not give you those pop-ups. So that's going to be like super critical. Okay. Screen updating, yeah. Can you stop that? Okay. He don't stop. I think there is some issue. Wait, 1 second. There are some okay. Can you hit on that stop icon on the top? No, that's giving you no. Equal to false, and I don't think there should be any gap over there. Okay, so let's do this. I think you can also do this echo. Okay. So the false is at the beginning. Okay, take that off. I think that screen updating is for the Excel. Okay, so stop the code. There's a pause button. There's a pause button here on the top. Yeah, just stop the code and change this to. Oh shoot, it's still coming up. Can you save this out? The open query was cancelled. Okay, what's happening?
Do I need the equals?
Mm. Echo, yeah. Okay. It is usually run without the equals. Okay, but that's fine. Let's okay. Yeah. See, you don't need equals over there. That's actually running on my PC. Not sure what's happening over there. But that's a pop-up, and pop-up you would want to say yes or no. Okay, disabling the pop-ups in Access. That's what you need. Okay. So, okay. So I'll give you the pop-up code separately because that wasn't going with the echo for you. Okay, it could be purely because of the installation DLLs and the it's on Office 365 for you, right? So, and Office 365, is it a 64-bit or a 32-bit? Can you confirm that?
I have 32.
Oh, okay. That's the reason. Okay. Because okay, it's an account. It's an account. Account. You get to see that. It's a 32-bit. Okay. I think then. Okay, then this should work. Okay. So yeah, the last message. Okay. So set warnings is false and true at the end. Okay, same thing. Do it for the application alerts, false, and set warnings false. Go there onto the access database VBA. Paste these codes. Mhm. So remove those application.echo false and just do CMD set warnings false and application display alerts equal to false. Mhm. What's happening? Okay, so can you take up that application display alerts false? Just that. True. Okay, just check that as well. Okay. Not really. Can you hit on stop and then do and then change it out? Yeah. No. Try to run this. Yeah,
Like it worked.
it works.
This thing is just frozen for some reason.
Mm. Yeah, because that's acting slightly weird. Right? It cannot be blank and right. Okay. Can you save this and then reopen the application? Or maybe PC needs a restart. Are there any applications that are being updated now? Mhm.
All right, we're back.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. All right. So let's do this now. Uh, so I have marked in few of the things, that would continue for an, hour and a half at a stretch. If I try to explain that, I don't want to break that in between. Okay, so maybe we'll start with that topics tomorrow. But any which ways, I would want you to, uh, go through the ones that we have created in Access as well as in Excel. Okay, and in terms of the VBA codes, it's a basic codes that we have gone through today, and I've gone through the explanation of how do we insert a code, how do we run a specific code, and also giving out more information on the queries. Now, basically, you run a query. Okay, what if the window is if the table is open, the query fails. So you need to close the tables, right? So those are all the sequence of steps, that I would. It's like an introduction to the VBA. What are all the parameters that we need to keep in mind. So that's primarily the thing that I would want to cover today. Just to give you that hands-on session on that. And also on the Power Query, I would want you to be familiar with that as well, because the access would be of helpful. That's absolutely fine. But again, even the Power Query for you, it's going to be quite a helpful thing. Okay, so whatever we could do it here, in terms of getting the benefact information on the Excel. Also, we could do something similar with the VBA code as well. The search and based on search value, you would have a specific column filtered for that. So that's something that we could look at it tomorrow. But what I'm trying to tell you is, any of the application that you take in, we need to be flexible in terms of whatever best fits for us. So just wanted to check on that information. If you have that, yes, then the other things are, how do we get it to the requirements that we have. Okay, so that's been the primary construct that we have, and what we themed it around today. So I would request if you can practice what I've done, what we have done, maybe along with me today now on the Power Query.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yeah, do that, and because I would want you to get hands-on and completely onto it, so that whenever next time, whenever you have it, that's going to be easy for you. And remember, the the topics that I told you is specific to your PC, because the Power Query and Power Pivots as well. Okay, they are slightly different, and the fundamentals are the same. Okay, but since you do not have that, I showed you those specific steps on your PC. But feel free to change that as well. I mean, if, in case you need something onto it. Okay. So
All right.
let's do that, and I'll give you a quick break. I mean, I'll be back in like quick 3 minutes. So maybe in the meantime, if you can quickly open up the Excel and then proceed with the Power Query. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'll be back in quick 3 minutes. Morning. Just got back.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. You want to do the Power Query one? Maybe replicate the tabs that I've created for ESI.
Sure.
And let me know if you need any help on any of the step. And absolutely fine. Since you have just seen it at once, I would want you to practice it so that gives you the comfortness. Now, you'd not be able to do it on the same Excel. The reason is it already has those connections. Okay. So maybe create a new one, call it as a practice, and then